Scientists announce an easy way to calm alcohol withdrawal. A new federally funded study from the University of California, San Diego shows that cannabidiol, or CBD, can reduce alcohol dependence. The science behind it is fascinating. Chronic alcohol use disrupts the brain's amygdala, a region tied to anxiety and addiction. CBD appeared to normalize its function, restoring healthy firing patterns. It also protected neurons in the nucleus accumbens and striatum, areas linked to reward and habit formation. That means CBD isn't just reducing cravings, it's helping preserve the brain's wiring that heavy drinking usually damages. This matters because current FDA-approved treatments for alcohol use disorder, like naltrexone, acamprosate, and disulfiram, only work for some patients and often come with side effects. According to the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, less than 10% of people with alcohol use disorder are prescribed them. CBD, with its multi-target action on serotonin, opioid, and TRP receptors, could provide a safer, more versatile option. The implications extend far beyond the lab. UCSD researchers tested 166 rodents, giving them synthetic CBD doses of 30 to 60 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. Compared to a control group, the CBD-treated rats drank significantly less alcohol, showed fewer withdrawal symptoms like tremors and anxiety, and were far less likely to relapse during stress tests. Several cannabis companies are already positioned to move quickly if human trials confirm CBD's potential. Tilray Brands is one to watch. The company's medical division already supplies EU GMP-certified cannabis oils and capsules in over 20 countries. They've partnered with major pharma companies in the past, including Sandoz, to push cannabis-based medicines forward. With ongoing cannabinoid research, including in alcohol-related disorders, Tilray could scale CBD therapies rapidly. Canopy Growth is another heavyweight. Beyond its oils and capsules, Canopy teamed up with CRON Pharmaceuticals to develop CBD-dissolvable strips, a novel delivery system that could be perfect for medical treatments. Canopy has both the scale and innovation track record to enter the alcohol dependence treatment space. Cronos Group brings a different angle. Its brands like Lord Jones and Spinach already specialize in CBD edibles, topicals, and hemp-derived products. Cronos has invested heavily in fast-acting CBD delivery technologies, such as GeoCan's Vesisorb capsules. Cronos has the resources to adapt its CBD products into medical applications quickly. And then there's Jazz Pharmaceuticals, which owns GW Pharma, the company that created Epidiolex, the first FDA-approved CBD drug. Epidiolex is already a blockbuster for rare epilepsies, and Jazz is actively exploring new indications. If CBD for alcohol dependence proves viable, Jazz could leverage its existing FDA-approved CBD platform to lead clinical trials and bring the first prescription CBD treatment for alcohol use disorder to market. Other major players like Aurora Cannabis, which acquired Reliva to enter the U.S. CBD market, are also well-positioned. Meanwhile, beverage giants like AB InBev and Constellation have already partnered with cannabis companies to explore CBD-infused drinks. If cannabis continues to substitute for alcohol, that crossover could accelerate. Americans are already using cannabis instead of alcohol. Surveys back this trend. Bloomberg Intelligence reports that 3 in 4 young adults substitute cannabis for alcohol at least once a week. Research in Canada found that beer sales declined after marijuana legalization. Clear evidence of substitution, and polls from Gallup and the American Psychiatric Association consistently show Americans now see cannabis as less harmful than alcohol. Put simply, cannabis, especially CBD, may be quietly reshaping not just medicine, but the alcohol industry itself. So while this study was in rodents, it adds compelling evidence that CBD could one day help humans not just manage cravings, but repair the brain from alcohol's damage. For cannabis companies, it opens a whole new potential market. For millions struggling with alcohol dependence, it may offer hope where current treatments fall short. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Fields, Elite Investing, Effortless AI.